Here's a small parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Each piece is quite different. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted, and the white that you can see on some of the pieces there is a reflection of the lights. First piece, a couple of faces there. Put a saw blade through here, end up with 2 stones. This one's quite darker than the other one. Another little stone just there, perhaps. I'm going to cut it. Don't think that goes. That may go under there. In which case you can end up with a bit bigger stone. This piece again has got multi faces on it. One here, one there. Quite a big piece, but again, cutting it through here somewhere. 2 stones. Electric green through it. Whether some of this material comes out more, this material will come out or not. It's a case of grinding it a bit more and seeing it. You really need a Dremel for this sort of work. This piece is a little bar of colour running through the middle. Green here, I don't know if it's going to show up. One flash of the green there. Yeah, there you go. It's up here and here. Alright, that's what it is. A picture stone. A bit of a divot there. That might grind out, end up with a stone like that. Again, it's on reasonable material, should polish up quite nicely. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.